And then there's the playoffs, where it's survive or go home.
It's time right now to take the next step on our journey.
If I were going to die doing that, it wouldn't be dressed up as a Jaguar.
Ryan takes a snap.
Loops and Jones the catch. Touchdown, Atlanta. Wow.
Yes! Everybody good? Everybody having fun?
Yes, sir.
It is knocked and picked off by Jalen Ramsey.
Lead us there, eh? Take us there.
Mariota sets up in the pocket, being chased. Now stumbles. Now he's going to scramble for the end zone. Pump faking. Fires late. It's knocked down and caught by Mariota and stretches for a touchdown.
That's why you're the leader.
Did you possibly see them going for this on 4th and 2? And Breeze calls timeout.
I knew y'all wasn't that cocky. Punter, go for it.
We get it, we win. You got a play you like?
Yeah, I got a play I like.
This is all or nothing right here.
10 seconds to go. 24-23 Saints. Vikings at their own 39. We need a Minneapolis miracle. Case on a deep drop. Steps up in the pocket. He'll fire to the right side. Caught by Diggs. Stay up. Oh, he got loose. Oh, my God. No way. Ah! Touchdown. What a miracle finish. It's a Minneapolis miracle! No way! Stephon Diggs and the Minnesota Vikings have walked up!
I don't know what happened either, dude. I don't even remember.
We're still in it now.
Yeah, we are.
The Patriots again searching for a 6th all-time Super Bowl championship.
This is your time! You're here for a reason! Just do your job!
We've been great all year. That's not ending right here, baby.
That's why we coach and play, right? That's right. For games like this.
Hey! Do your job, right? You don't need to do the impossible. Go down and score, huh?
The clock at 9 minutes. Tom looks down the middle, throws down the middle, catch by Amendola, turns to the outside, dives to the end zone. Touchdown, Patriots!
Takes the snap. Here comes the rush. He's hit. And it's intercepted. It's picked off by Robinson. Now he's at the 20. He's at the 15. The 10, the 5. Touchdown! Patrick Robinson!
Great opportunity right here, boys.
He fires and the ball is caught in the back of the end zone. Touchdown, Patriots!
They come right back. It's a flea flicker. Back to Foles. He's going deep down the far side of the field. Caught! Touchdown! Torrey Smith! The Eagles are headed for the Super Bowl.
The Patriots are bound for Super Bowl 52.
I don't care about nothing else. I just want to feel this. This all on the field.
You don't know how happy I am for you, bro. I'm supposed to love you to death, man. Dude, nobody deserves this more than you, man. Nobody deserves this more than you. Keep going. I love you, bro.
I'll talk to you soon.
Love you guys, man. Let's get it. Let's go get it. We're gonna. Let's go get it. Unbelievable.
You're going to the Super Bowl!